Guess what? My man, aka my husband, surprised me with all this equipment. I mean, everything I needed for my YouTube channel, and I was so happy, and I'm still am. And let's unbox them together. The first one was this tripod, and I loved it. I mean, sijaitumia kama hii, and it was so huge. Nilikuwa najifunza, and my hubby was right there on the other side akiniambia fanya hivi, zungusha hapo, you do this is how it is used, and I was taking instructions from him. I mean, I am so happy. Sijui niseme nini. I am super happy about all these equipments. The next thing was this USB 128GB for each, and there were two of them. And then we went to this mic. I mean, these are Rhodes mic. If you know, you know, and I have always wanted to get one for my sit down videos, and it's finally here. This is how inakaa. Wacha tuifungue tuone venye inakaa ndani. That is the packaging as you can see it, and next step wacha tuifungue and see how inakaa. And I tried to open it, inakuwa imefungwa where you can tell it was not packed here in Kenya. Anyway, nikaitisha makasi, tried to open it, ikakataa. And as I open it, guys, in case you've not followed me on YouTube, you should check me out at THUO today. I create videos about making money from home. I am a mom and I work from home, and that's the content I create. And tukifungua inakaa hivi. This is the mic itself, and comes with this huge stuff. This one is to filter noise, filter wind, and it has a keyboard for itself. This is the best mic ever. Sijui kama kuna ingine hapo nje, I don't know, but for me this is the best mic ever. Anyway, you can see it is a normal mic you can detach and attach. Comes with all its equipment. If you want to attach it on the cam or anywhere else, you can easily be able to attach it. What do you think about it, guys? What do you think about this mic? Tell me down on the comment section. Anyway, guys, finally the baby, my newest baby, guys. I love this camera so much. It is ZV-E10. You can check it online, you can check it reviews and everything, guys. I am in love with it. Tuifungue teke and see how inakaa ndani, but I'm sure it is the best decision ever. Comes with so many papers. These are just manuals to guide you. Comes with a charger, comes with like a keyboard. Yep, just that. And guys, what do you think about it? What do you think about this mic? Comes even with its microphone. So far I have two mics, and this is how inakaa, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I mean, unaona aje? This mic is the best in the whole world for me, guys. For me, this is the best thing ever. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much for this. I am so happy. Anyway, guys, bye.